Updated, where we explore tomorrow's rides today. And today's feature is a truck that doesn't just aim to dominate the road, it aims to reshape it. Say hello to the 2025 to 2026 Chevy Silverado 10, a nameplate that combines legendary Silverado toughness with futuristic upgrades designed for a new generation of drivers. This isn't just a refresh, this is a rebirth. Let's start with the first thing that catches everyone's eye: the design. One look at the Silverado 10 and you know something is different. The front fascia is bold and unapologetic. Chevrolet's iconic dual-port grille has been redesigned for maximum airflow, flanked by ultra-slim matrix-LED headlamps that pierce through darkness with precision. The new C-shaped DRLS give the Silverado a signature look day or night. The hood is power dome styled with active air vents, channeling performance from aesthetics. Wide muscular shoulders and sculpted side panels reflect a mix of strength and sophistication. Around the back, the multi-flex tailgate returns, but now it's smarter, lighter, and fully integrated with Chevy's digital assistant. Whether you're towing, hauling, or tailgating, this truck adapts to your lifestyle with unmatched versatility. Step inside, and the Silverado 10 feels more like a luxury tech lounge than a workhorse truck. A fully digital 17.3-inch curved display stretches across the dash, seamlessly integrating driver data and infotainment. Chevrolet's new generation operating system is powered by AI, giving you real-time driving analytics, voice control, and over-the-air updates that improve the truck even after you drive off the lot. High-quality materials surround you: genuine leather with contrast stitching, brushed aluminum trims, and customizable ambient lighting set the mood for every journey. And the new active comfort seats with multi-zone massage, ventilation, and heat. Let's just say long drives will never feel the same again. Now, let's talk performance. The Silverado 10 comes with multiple powertrain options to suit every need, from heavy-duty haulers to eco-conscious adventurers. At the heart of the base model is a Ray-engineered 6.6-liter V8 gas engine pushing out for 150 horsepower and over 500 pound-feet of torque, matched with a 10-speed hydromatic transmission. This beast delivers raw power with refined control for those seeking diesel torque. The Duramax 3.0-liter inline-six turbo diesel returns with improved emissions, better fuel economy, and a quieter cabin experience. It now produces 310 horsepower and a staggering 700 newton-meters of torque, making towing a breeze. And yes, trailering tech is fully upgraded. Integrated rear trailer cameras, smart load balance sensors, and trailer sway control are all part of the package. But the most talked about option, the all-new Silverado 10 Emotion Hybrid. Chevy has introduced a mild hybrid system featuring a 48 volts battery assist paired with the 6.6-liter engine. This results in quicker throttle response, better fuel efficiency, and silent low-speed cruising, perfect for city driving or neighborhood commutes. Off-road enthusiasts will be thrilled to hear that the Silverado 10's ER trim goes even harder. In 2026, with multi-matic DSSV dampers, electronic locking differentials front and rear, and 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory tires, this is the most capable off-road Silverado to date. Skid plates, increased ground clearance, and a terrain-sensing suspension system automatically adapt to rocks, mud, snow, or sand, whatever the adventure throws at you. Now here's where Chevy is stepping up the game: technology. The Silverado 10 introduces Super Cruise 2.0, a hands-free driving system available on more highways than ever before, with LiDAR mapping, GPS, and in-cabin driver attention monitoring. You can cruise confidently while staying connected. The truck also offers a 360-degree smart surround view camera with object recognition, park assist, auto reverse, lane change alerts. It's like having an AI co-pilot who never blinks. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now wireless and more deeply integrated. And the onboard 5G hotspot supports up to 10 devices. Whether you're working from your tailgate or streaming from a campsite, you're always connected. Safety is where Silverado 10 refuses to compromise. Standard features include forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian braking, blind zone steering assist, and Chevy's new Safe Exit Assist, which prevents door opening into incoming traffic or cyclists. A new rear occupant alert system ensures no one is accidentally left behind, people or pets. If you're wondering about the bed, it's still the most functional in the industry. Made from roll-formed high-strength steel, it offers more volume than any competitor. The integrated power outlet, lighting system, and modular storage rails make it a mobile workbench. There's even a new feature, a digital tailgate scale. Just load up and the truck will tell you the weight on your infotainment screen. No guessing, no overloading. One of the coolest additions to the Silverado 10 lineup is the Silverado 10 RSD Blackline Edition. It's all about stealth and performance, black-on-black styling, smoked-out lighting, exclusive 22-inch alloy wheels, and a sport-tuned suspension. With a dual-mode performance exhaust and lowered stance, the RSD doesn't just look fast, it is fast. And for those who want luxury over ruggedness, the Silverado 10 High Country trim is the ultimate expression of what a premium truck can be. Open pullwood inlays, 12-speaker Bose performance audio, panoramic sunroof, and even rear seat entertainment screens turn this into a rolling first-class suite. Now let's talk numbers. The starting price of the 2025 Silverado 10 is expected to begin around $48,000 for the base LT trim and can go all the way up to $82,000. Zero for the High Country or the 2 Off-Road Beast. For what it offers, this pricing is not just competitive, it's aggressive. Fuel economy, thanks to better aerodynamics, mild hybrid assistance, and cylinder deactivation tech. You can expect up to 25 mpg combined on the highway with the gas models, and over 30 mpg for the diesel option. Chevrolet is also focusing on sustainability. Many of the Silverado 10's interior materials are now sourced from recycled or renewable sources. The hybrid and upcoming all-electric versions are built in GM's zero-waste facilities, setting a strong message that performance and planet can go hand in hand. Customization is also key. Chevy knows truck buyers love to personalize. So the Silverado 10 now comes with over 40 factory accessories lift kits, like bars, roof tents, sport bars, tow mirrors, skid plates, you name it. And all can be installed at delivery or by dealers with warranty intact. Chevy's competition is fierce. Ford's F-150 is not backing down. And Ram always brings its A game, but the Silverado 10 isn't just playing catch-up anymore. It's setting new standards. This is a truck built not just for power, but for purpose. Whether you're a contractor on the job site, an overlander heading into the wilderness, or just someone who loves commanding the road, the Silverado 10 speaks your language. It's bold, it's smart, it's strong, it's everything a future-ready truck should be. The 2025 to 2026 Chevy Silverado 10 doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. And that's a wrap from Future Cars Updated. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exciting trucks of the future, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing vehicle insights, and don't forget to drop a comment. Would you drive the new Silverado 10? Or is there another truck that has your attention? Until next time, stay ahead of the curve and keep your eyes on the future. Would you like a YouTube video description, hashtags, or thumbnail prompt for this script too?